Happy Black Friday shopping on Amazon Day. More exciting things I'm going to show you. Now, specifically, I'm going to show you categories today. 6 essentials as preppers we should stock up on. Go through these, pick them out. I linked them below, and let's get shopping and get preparing. The first category, essential foods. Of course, when we look at these foods, we see a lot of freeze-dried stuff. Fantastic. Like right here, look, a bread and roll mix only for $10. This is great. Make 6 loaves, 72 bread rolls. Because I always talk about you want to have lots of canned food because canned food lasts indefinitely and it's inexpensive. But when you come across like potato slices for $6.40, or of course, I kind of skipped it, didn't I? Cheesy sauce mix? I don't think so. Vegetable blend, or we have lots of these, by the way, powdered milk. Fantastic. So click on this link and look through these. Strawberries, everybody loves the sliced freeze-dried strawberries, by the way, delicious. Go through these and pick out the ones that you will use for you and your family. Look, black beans also. The next category is off-grid power. I have lots of different types of solar systems. For example, I have the Jackery. I have this unit here, by the way. This is a great little tiny one for inflating my air mattress in my tent. Anchor Solix, excellent system. Scroll down, there's lots of ones I don't know, I'm not familiar with, but the Jackeries are great. I love this 1000 system. I have this one as well. Very good. EcoFlow, also special to my heart. For me personally, EcoFlow and Jackery are the ones that work the best, but they have lots of systems, lots of them on sale. Now's the time to get them because you'll find that sometimes these prices are even half off. So scroll through this one, find out what your power needs are, and pick up your solar system. And personally, I love solar systems because I can keep things like my lights charged up. I own this flashlight here, works very well. I own both of these lights here, they work very well. Here's some smaller lights, never tried them out. Of course, it doesn't hurt to have lots of flashlights like this, but here's the thing, if you have batteries, depending on the severity of the disaster, or crap hits the fan, you may not get more batteries. So we like the rechargeable ones. Yes, these are great flashlights. So go through, look at the lumens. Don't always think higher lumens are the better, because sometimes you want to have it so the light's somewhat concealed. This is a nice one, has tactical heads on here. Sometimes you want a dimmer light. I have these as well. These plug into your walls, and when your power goes out, they'll automatically turn on with the lights. That way it guides people out in case there's like a fire or something. Then you can pull it off and use it as a flashlight. I own these ones as well. Lots of different systems. I own this one. So lots of different lights to choose from. Oh, I even have these too. These are great, $5 each. My kids always borrow these and use them around the house. Of course, they do take batteries, and it's great to be able to, if they put up like a little fort or shelter, you know how kids are. But lots of lights, just make sure you get a wide variety. Next up, water filtration. Obviously, hopefully you get water coming in from multiple sources, not just your tap. If you have tap water coming in, these multiple stage filters work very, very well. Fantastic. But then we get into things like your membrane solutions ones. I like these. It's a knockoff from your typical water straws. Sawyers are fantastic, and all these work very well. If you keep going, though, you'll see some of the gravity-fed ones, which I don't see them just yet. But here's like a Life Straw bottle. This is cool. You put the crappy water in there, and the straw automatically makes it so you can drink on the run. Here we go. Here's a gravity-fed one. These are great, especially if you're like base camping somewhere. You fill this up, hang it off a tree, and it slowly fills up whatever you need as far as water goes. Here's a double pack. Make sure you have lots of water filters. You want to make sure you have plenty of water. Next up, security. It starts off right away with Ring systems. Like for our house, we have a Ring doorbell, and Ring alarm systems do work very well. I mean, it's great locally. Let's say you have it so there's no internet anymore. It will still work, but obviously if you're away, it will not. But like I have one of these systems for my dojo, and from there, it'll let my phone know if somebody has violated the premises, which my instructors do that sometimes without turning it off. It just happened yesterday. But there's also the Blink systems. Here's a 5-camera system for blinks. And all of these, practically speaking, will use clouds. Just keep that in mind. Ring has a floodlight cam. I don't know if you like clouds, by the way. Get down to one of my favorite things right here is our owl security system alarms. Love them, love them, love them. And these owls, you can have up to 32 sensors, every single one having a different chime or tone, so you know exactly where the sound's coming from. We love these systems. Then the last category is simply just survival tools. Getting a multi-tool, absolutely $19, essential, carry it wherever you go. Or even getting one of these really cool packs. They're a lot of fun, by the way. And I'm not saying you're going to be able to use everything in this pack, but it's a great place to get started, and of course, works great for gifts too. If you ever go to Amazon, they always have tons of different packs to choose from. Most of them have practically the same thing. Survival tools may include fire starting, Lots of knives. Mossy Oak has a lot of sales going on right now. A camping axe, always good, good, good. Other tools, maybe emergency sleeping bags. We keep these in our cars. Up here in Michigan, it's important we do that. You don't want to get stranded in the snow. And the multi-tools, they don't have to be expensive. $16 for this one. And of course, emergency radios as well. So click on this category specifically, look, a roadside kit, because you'll find lots and lots of stuff that you didn't think you need, but you really do when it comes to any type of disaster or problem. Now, truth be told, there's a seventh category, medical items, but I'm going to make a video specifically just for that category in the future. Now, if you click on the link, even just for the categories, we will get a portion of the sale. Your price doesn't change because we are Amazon affiliates, and we say thank you for that. It helps our family out, helps our channel out, because we always provide Goshen prepping and our channels to you totally free. Good shopping, get to it. Black Friday, today is the day to save. We'll see you next time.